So we left off last time with example 2. We had the angle measures of angle beta and angle gamma, as we are already given angle alpha. And now what's left to solve for the first triangle in this case is to find side C, which we can do by setting up a ratio, which would be sine of 34 degrees, or the sine of alpha over A, which is 2, is equal to the sine of 88.99, since gamma corresponds with side C, over side C. And when we solve this with a calculator, we get that side C is 3.58. And with this information, we have successfully solved the triangle, since we have found the 3 pieces of information that we were not given. Now, with the given information, we can tell that there are actually 2 possible triangles. In order to find the second triangle, since we know that when we did the inverse of the sine of B, you get 2 output values, we can find the second output value by doing 180 minus 57.01, which is the value of beta in the first triangle. And when we do this, we get our answer of 122.99. And now that we have our angle alpha, which was given, our angle beta, which is 122.99, we can just subtract angle alpha, which was 35, and 122.99 in order to get our third and last angle, angle gamma, for our second triangle. And when we do this, we get 23.01. And with the information that we have about all of the angle measures, so we know that beta for a triangle 2 is 122.99 degrees. We know that gamma for triangle 2 is 23.01 degrees. We can solve for our last piece of missing information, which is side C. And we can do this again by setting up one last proportion. So to set this proportion up, we would just do the sine of alpha, which is 34, over A, which was 2, is equal to the sine of gamma, since gamma corresponds with side C, which is sine of 23.01 degrees over C. And when we solve this out, we end up getting C to be 1.4, which is rounded. And when we find C, we have finally solved the triangle. And by using the law of sines, we found an example of the ambiguous case where we were able to solve both potential possible triangles